Hey everybody, welcome back to Florida Lanai Curtains, Privacy on Demand YouTube channel. And today we are down in Palm Bay. It is December 2nd, getting close to Christmas, but we're down here in Palm Bay doing a small job. You see we got a nice little backyard area here, some turf and a swimming pool. And really no privacy issues on the left side or out back. Customer considered doing both sides, but then realized what he really needed was some security over here on the right side. So what we've done is we've put up some of our royal blue tweed Sombrella marine canvas curtains for him. And the issue is, you see right next door, you got the neighbor right through here, and they put up a security camera up there, looking right into his pool area. Now the neighbor was nice enough to adjust the camera to face the street, which was really nice. Not a lot of neighbors who are friendly enough to do that, but some are in this case. It worked out well. But still, she does come outside regularly with her dogs, and he's out here in his pool just to relax, and he just wants to be able to have a little bit of privacy. So you can see we didn't do the whole entire cage like a lot of times we do. We didn't do both sides. We just did two sections. That's what we do at Florida Lanai Curtains. We don't oversell you. We just help you figure out what is your real privacy concern, and we solve it. And we're not going to try to sell you more than you need. We just want to help you meet your privacy needs and install a great product for you that's going to last for years and years to come, and help give you some security and some peace of mind when you're outside enjoying your outdoor spaces. So that's what we've done here. Just two small curtain panels. Gives him all the privacy that he's going to need for his situation. So it worked out well. We're finished up, about to head out. So if you are looking for privacy or shade in your outdoor space, give us a call at Florida Lanai Curtains at 321-220-9444, where you can schedule a time to call us. If nobody answers, just leave us a voicemail, and we'll text you over a booking link automatically to schedule a time, a dedicated time that we can talk to you about your privacy and shade needs without any interruptions. Or you can also visit us at FloridaLanaiCurtains.com, where you can do an instant online quote for any of our products, get an idea of the price before you speak with somebody. But we'd love to help you out. So give us a call or visit us on the web, and always, as usual, like and subscribe our videos. And thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.